Portway, we are a national ground handling provider, and we deliver around 6,000 flights a month. We have a very passionate team, and I use it to say they are all fighters because our work day is always very challenging, especially because the unpredictability of our services every day.
Tourism has increased significantly, and so have the flights, especially for Funchal's size. So we need good communication to be able to always respond in time to the needs of our airlines, our customers, and also our passengers. Airlines demand strict schedules, door closure compliance, check-in closures, and we often don't have that information immediately available. Zello helps me making sure that at a certain time, a specific minute, for example, the door was given the okay, and that helps me respond to airlines in the event of a complaint or need of specific information.
I've been here since the beginning of Portway. Back then, we used walkie-talkies to communicate. Then we started using normal radios. And then, Zello was implemented, which made everything more practical. When we didn't have Zello, communicating was often challenging. Now, Zello is widespread, and it's much easier to get in touch, whether with the check-in supervisor, the licensed supervisor, or the coordinators. It makes our lives a lot easier.
We use it a lot to give flight closures, both at check-in and at the boarding gates. Even outside the island, when we have canceled flights, we use Zello to convey the necessary information. We consistently use the operations channel, where we are given instructions to pass on to our colleagues about what is happening in the operation. It gives me more confidence. If my colleagues don't hear a message I made, they can hear it again.
Whenever there is a situation that didn't go to plan on a flight, or an airline requests an investigation, we also use Zello to investigate all communications and try to understand the source so we can give clearer feedback to our customers.
Considering our high commitment with the quality, if we don't have access to the proper information, we will never be able to understand the scenario and provide all changes. It's very good to have access to the information 100% trustable to our business, so it's very nice to count on this kind of tool in our operation.
I use Zello every day. I synchronize it with the teams every day in my computer. I read the reports when I come to work. It's my first thing in the morning. AI from Zello gives me a full resume of the operation on the previous day. It's good for me as a station manager to double check where we did a mistake or where can we improve for the next day. Zello helped me when we had an aircraft incident that we hit an aircraft. It helped me understand that my team was prepared for real activities when everything goes wrong, and the team responded positively to the event.
Through my phone, I can check all airports and I can recover reports from all my teams. So if I'm following a specific area, I have a concern about a specific flight, I can not only listen what the team are talking, but I can also recover a report to have a most clear vision.
The first time I used Zello, I was sure that we were going through a turning point, a new and much more evolved way of communicating, for me and for our teams.
Without Zello, we will be going back to the past where the communications were lost, the resumes were not done. I will need to call my IT teams that we will need Zello back.
Portway looks forward to a very successful partnership with Zello for the years to come.